In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down. Click on Privacy Controls over here and choose Permission Manager. Now tap on one of your device's features you wish to manage and select one of your apps. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so when I tap and go back, I can set Facebook just gained access to my device's calendar. But you can also pick any feature just to look for an app you wish to manage. Click on it. Select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!